The job in the front on our steps was put up in a day or two. Railing is strong, anchored strong. Um, I would say everything went real well with that, and I haven't fallen yet, so it's working. It's about all I gotta say.